and welcome to AM Update. We are here at Hexagon as they have just introduced their new technology, their new equipments. So let's catch up with Mr. Pramod. He's the president of the company. So let's hear from him. So congrats as you have just introduced your ATS800. So could you brief us about more that?
ATS800 is, I would say, state of the art technology which we are launching globally as well as in the country. This is one high end scanner which is bringing the latest global technology to India. And this is one product which has actually direct scanning as well as reflector tracking, and that too in a form factor as a portable device. So this is going to really change the digital workflows in the country because very large components, even up to 80 meters in volume, can be done by this. And even if you think of 40 meter on one side, 40 meter on the other side, you can think 80 meters is a very very large component, and we can do that, and you can do it from a distance of 40 meters. So I would rather say this is a very innovative product where we use a lot of technologies, and this is automation ready. This is, I would say, directly integrated with the AMR, as well as this can be integrated in any automation which you would like to do for faster measurements. So it's very accurate measurement, very fast measurement, and directly goes into a digital workflow on the shop floor. And so that you're able to get a very reliable, very, I would say, fast and quality assurance and the measurements which can be integrated with entire digital transformation of any organization. Our objective is to actually work with our customers, with all our, I would rather call them as partners, because we have been selling many equipments, we're working with them, and to seeing that they transform their shop floors. So multiple technologies, whether in terms of simulation, then manufacturing cam softwares, then inspection through our metrology devices, which is on stationary or portable side. Now this is part of portable, and then also the QDES software for the quality measurements, which can integrate on the directly on the shop floors to give the analytics to tell what's the in real time quality, and feedback can give given faster. So in true sense, we are going with open mind. We are getting a, I would say, whatever reviews and previews we are getting, that we are getting a very positive response. Things to be very positive. Team has plan in the country. There's no specific target we are setting, but even in FY25 we have grown humongously for portable devices, and big thing was our trackers. Same thing, we really want to multiply this growth, and specifically with the aim to support our partners, to support our customers who actually patronize Hexagon and MI India. That's what our journey is going to be on.
Sir, how does ATS 800 will support Indian manufacturers as they are also moving towards precision manufacturing?
Absolutely, and thanks for asking this question, because precision manufacturing is actually where the precision requirements are required. When high precision manufacturing requires these equipments which can do very fast and very accurate measurements. When measurements are so accurate that the industry actually is actually export ready. We already are doing as a country a lot of exports. But when you are using this latest technologies, customers outside of India, which demand the same level of accuracy, same level of quality, and same level of integration with the digital workflows, they would require such products. And we are enabling, I would rather say enabling, our Indian manufacturers to actually get into the next level of precision manufacturing. This product is really apt and very fit for taking the next leap. Rather, I'll call, as Indian manufacturers now needs to take a orbit shifting. And this is one product and one technology which is actually multiple things are coming into one form factor of portable, which makes it so easy. You don't have to bring the parts. You have to just take this portable device to the part and go up to, even from a 40-meter range, you can do it, which takes care of safety, which takes care of precision. And that's where the precision manufacturing comes into the picture and gets integrated with any workflow digitally, whether in terms of quality, metrology, and every other workflow which is working on the overall manufacturing and production.
You need that kind of technology in India as well.
Absolutely, we require it, and country needs it, and we are here for that. We really want to collaborate with our customers. We don't really sell. We want to be partner in their journey. That's the whole aim here.
That's great, sir, actually. And a follow-up question, like how will it improve their productivity and as well as decision making?
Look, the productivity is going to be increased just because it's very faster measurements. And the confidence in the measurement, because of such a high technology, this is all automation ready, AMR ready, and as well as AI is built into it. So it gives a high level of confidence. You don't have to really have a, I would say, second thought on the measurements, what's happening. And it's very fast. So confidence in the measurements and very, very fast. This is what's going to improve the productivity. That's what the manufacturers want. And I think this is going to play a very vital role in the overall ecosystem on the shop floor.
Quality should be compulsion for the every manufacturer, and that customer deserve a good quality equipment.
Absolutely. Not only deserve, they are demanding it. Today, the digital manufacturing and the, I would say, digital workflows are going so high on the manufacturing shop floor. Even the government of India, actually, this just yesterday's news in Mint, through the National Productivity Council and DPIT are putting, this is just a news, I would rather say, not confirmed from the government directly, but they are going to choose some, startups who are going to be working with MSMEs in Gujarat, almost 700 of them. With this program is going to launch. How do you have digital measurements? How do you have accurate measurements? And this is to enable our MSMEs and also to make them, increase their exports so that, and also reduce their cost, on the shop floor. And that's the entire digital measurements, digital quality, digital workflows. That's the government of India is focusing and going to focus. And such products are going to be actually playing a very vital role. And we want to, I would say, partner with these startups as well as directly the MSME customers so that we can contribute whatever we can from our side.
As India is currently booming, like we are the
Yes,
world's
absolutely.
third largest economy
Yes.
as of now. So which industry is currently facing more demand for advanced metrology solution?
I would rather say, look, IIP has been growing between 5 to 7%, and manufacturing per se average of around 8 to 9%, which is a great growth. Nowhere else in the world you'll find such a growth which is happening. And this is actually a lot of contribution, I think, from MSMEs. And the sectors which are helping is defense, aerospace, automotive. Look at the automotive. After, I would say, GST reforms, there is a amount of demand which has come in the vehicles and automotive. So directly OEMs, automotive, as well as tier one, tier twos, and tier three automotive component manufacturers are actually showing good amount of demand. So it's a very stable demand, and these three sectors are actually helping in a big way, as well as EVs. So we get from defense, aerospace, automotive, EVs, and automotive component manufacturers, which are also going big on exports, are helping us in these sectors to grow.
What message would you like to give to Indian manufacturers, those who are moving globally, advancing globally?
When you're using the latest technologies in the country, you are export ready. Your processes to all our manufacturers is that your processes and workflows are as good as anywhere in the world. And we should move very confidently because the digital transformation which is happening at unprecedented space, like inline inspection, in situ inspection, and robotics automation, which is going to happen. Though all these trends, Indian manufacturers, whether Industry 4.0 or digital transformation, they're taking leaps, even the MSMEs. And I think the message is that we are less than no one. And I'm sure we have seen within the last few years the amount of confidence our manufacturers are having. Our qualities and accuracies of measurements are par excellence. We are as per the world standards. So move with confidence. And government is helping us to create markets overseas. And we need to just go and do our bit that we really maintain high quality standards and shop floor all the digital tools you should be using. And there's no better time than this.
I think we should be proud of that.
You all are proud as Indians, very much.
Thank you so much for talking to us. A great time with you. Thank you. Thank you.